Good morning everyone. Today we're going to examine two brand new sets that will go on sale the 1st of August. Because they are based on the upcoming Disney Plus miniseries, some of the most beloved characters will be making cameos, and I can't wait to explore these sets with you. First up is the TIE Fighter and X-Wing mashup set number 75393. It had 1063 pieces and will cost $109. This is quite a unique idea. Both the X-Wing and the TIE Fighter look quite amazing by themselves, and the TIE Fighter has some fantastic cockpit components, and the X-Wing itself has an excellent dark red highlights and a very streamlined look. Mashup feature of this set is what distinguishes it, much like the Legends Uglies, to make hybrid spacecraft. This is the Rebuild the Galaxy theme. You can switch the wings of the TIE Fighter and the X-Wing. Combining the recognizable Star Wars pieces to create something unique is similar to a child's imaginative play. Now let's talk minifigures. We have a reasonably ordinary Rebel pilot and the standard TIE Fighter pilot. The astromech droid, however, is L3GO. It's the most notable of these. Its white, red and yellow colours mimic the Lego logo, and it's inevitable that fans will come to love this droid. Additionally, you got Yessa Scala and Sig Griblin, our new characters. Yessi comes with a Tusken Raider staff, in addition to some awesome body and leg prints. Another amusing reference to Lego itself is Sig Griblin. Now for the second set, number 75389. This is the Dark Falcon. At retail, this set will cost about $180 and contain 1,579 pieces. With its striking dark red and black colour scheme, this set is amazing and appears to be taking place of the Millennium Falcon set that is currently available on shelves. From the clear red exhaust to the cockpit's rich red colour, the details of this set are exquisite. A fantastic feature is that the inside opens up identical to the Rise of Skywalker version, and the radar dish even fires a mini Death Star laser beam. This set includes a rather bizarre range of minifigures. We've got Jedi Vader, or Redeemed Vader, in a brilliant white suit with a blue lightsaber. We have Beach Luke looking pretty laid back with a carton of blue milk with his shirt open and sunglasses on. Kind of a throwback to last year's summer vacation special. We've got Bounty Hunter C-3PO with crimson eyes and a black arm. It's an intriguing take on the persona, much like Forlom the bounty hunter. Next up is Darth Dev, a unique character and amazing print in detail. Darth Jar Jar is another character that we get to see, and Darth Rey from the Rise of Skywalker rounds out the list. Her lightsaber design is featuring the binocular piece to give her that twin lightsaber look. I'm absolutely thrilled to see Lego are adopting a ridiculous and entertaining Rebuild the Galaxy scenarios, and I have no doubts that fans of the franchise like myself will adore these. Where else can you find a minifigure of Darth Jar Jar and Darth Rey? What are your thoughts on these most wonderfully weird sets? Are you going to get any of them? What other weird things would you like to see from the Star Wars universe? Let me know in the comment section down below, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye!